2025 Mercedes-Benz E-Class is the perfect blend of innovation, performance, and luxury, setting a new benchmark in the executive sedan segment. From the outside, it showcases a redesigned silhouette with flowing lines, a bold front grille featuring the iconic three-pointed star, and sharp LED headlamps that exude elegance and modernity. The aerodynamic profile and sculpted surfaces give the E-Class a commanding presence on the road. Stepping inside the E-Class, the cabin immediately reflects sophistication and advanced technology. Premium materials like soft leather upholstery, open-pore wood, brushed aluminum, and ambient LED lighting are used throughout, creating a serene and upscale environment, while the alloy wheels, available in 18 to 20-inch sizes, add a sporty touch with precision styling. The front seats are plush and supportive, with multiple adjustment modes, memory settings, and available heating, cooling, and massage functions. Rear passengers enjoy ample legroom, wide cushioned seats, and individual climate zones, making this a true executive cruiser. At the heart of the cabin lies the futuristic dashboard, featuring a seamless dual-screen layout with a massive digital instrument cluster and a high-resolution MBUX infotainment display. The user interface is intuitive, offering touch, voice, and gesture control, along with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and navigation. The central console is clean and smartly arranged, with touch-sensitive controls and elegant trim finishes. Under the hood, the 2025 E-Class is powered by a range of efficient and powerful engine options, including a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 with mild hybrid assistance, and an optional 3.0-liter inline-6 with EQ boost technology. These engines offer smooth acceleration, responsive torque, and better fuel efficiency, while maintaining Mercedes' trademark performance. The 9G-tronic automatic transmission shifts seamlessly, and the optional 4MATIC all-wheel drive ensures enhanced stability and traction in all driving conditions. Fuel economy is another area where the E-Class excels, thanks to the hybrid technology and efficient powertrain. Whether you're in city traffic or on long highway drives, the E-Class delivers consistent mileage without compromising on performance or comfort. The LED lighting extends beyond the headlamps and taillights to a customizable ambient lighting system inside the cabin, enhancing the visual appeal and comfort.